need to know about buying a home in northern New Jersey. It is different from every other place in the country. I'm Stacy with the Stacy Group. We have a huge team in northern New Jersey, and we know, you guys, after working with thousands of successful buyers, that the only way to truly be successful in this market is to build the A-team and give yourself that team-driven approach to be successful. The reality is that many buyers wait way too long to assemble the right people, and not only does it cost them the house, but can also cost them money and time. So winning in our market means getting all these players lined up early, trusted professionals to be in place for you guys, so that they're there to guide you and answer your questions and be proactive and be anticipatory, working together to help you with the confidence you need to make those decisions timely at every step of this process. So in this video, what I am so excited to do for you guys is to explain to you who is on that A-team, all right? And why it's so important that you build that A-team, those relationships that can make all the difference, not just during the transaction, but long after. So let's get into it. Here we go. So first of all, we have the Realtor. Hi, we are your quarterbacks, you guys. From the very start of your journey, your Realtor will lay out the framework for your success. So we call it a framework. It is literally a proven plan that's tailored specifically to your goals. So we're not just showing you the homes, we're your strategist, coordinating the entire process like a quarterback. The great Realtor will stay ahead in the competition, find you off-market opportunities, negotiate fiercely on your behalf, and remember that the Realtor is there for you even after your closing, right? So a lot there. Let's go to number 2, the lender. So your financial guide. The right lender, by the way, doesn't just secure your mortgage, they find you the best loan program for your unique needs, right? Whether it's FHA, whether it's jumbo, whether it's first-time buyer incentives, it doesn't really matter. There's also things that we offer cash for keys. We offer stuff to help you even if you need to buy a house while you still own a house. Like, everything is very specific to your needs, right? But that trusted lender will be available early because that lender will help you be the best buyer to win the house, and breaking down all those complex terms and helping you win, and then collaborate with your team members to ensure your financial foundation supports your overall strategy. All right. Post-transaction, your lender is a key resource for you. Also, adjusting your mortgage, leveraging home equity, all of that stuff. All right. Number 3, your lawyer. So in northern New Jersey, if you're not familiar, we are very different. You have to have a lawyer. They are your advocate, ensuring your rights are protected throughout the transaction, whether it's through attorney review, contracts, explaining the process to you, going over inspection. Perhaps the seller asks you to do something before they accept your deal. You want to be able to tap on that attorney and say, is this a good idea? Is this not a good idea? What's my risk exposure? Those legal questions, collaboratively with your agent to go over your best strategy, are so important. Again, really early on. All right. Number 4, the inspector, your property detective. So many buyers think of inspectors only after finding a home, but a great inspector is somebody you can consult with before you say yes to a property, right? They're going to help you evaluate, uncover hidden issues, let you know like what's a big deal, what's not a big deal, give you peace of mind, and then post-closing, they're going to be there for you. Call them and ask them questions about the house. Ask them for recommendations on who to call. All right. So your A-team will stay with you, build them before the transaction, and stay with you after the transaction is over. Support you. It doesn't end when you get the keys to your house, right? So all of this is why you win when you build your A-team, why we know after working with thousands of buyers that if you can get your A-team in place, your realtor, your lender, your lawyer, your inspector, upfront, collaborating on your behalf, you are just going to be set up to succeed in a very different way than anybody else. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We love educating. We have many more videos that are all about educating buyers. So take a look at some of our other videos. And as always, we are here for you to help you with your real estate journey. I'm Stacy with the Stacy Group. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.